Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. I am an educator at the North Carolina Aquariums at Pine Knoll Shores, and I want to welcome you to our Party for the Planet virtual celebration. I'm so excited that you're joining us today. Every single day this week, we are going to be releasing a new video to celebrate our planet and learn new ways that we can be a friend to the Earth. Reusing old things is a great way to be a friend to the planet. Today, we're going to be making a craft using only old crayons. This not only repurposes these crayons that would otherwise wind up in the trash, but it creates a fun, colorful, and personalized crayon for your own use. For any kids that are watching today, you will need an adult's help in order to make these crayons. First things first, gather your materials. You will need only a bunch of old crayons and a muffin tin in order to complete this craft. You can use your own muffin tin at home, or you can buy one of these foil muffin tins from the store like I did. Fun fact about these foil muffin tins, they are recyclable. So if you don't want to get wax on your good muffin tins at home, this is a good, sustainable option. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees. Then take your crayons, remove any leftover paper, and break them into small pieces. As you can see, I've already done this step. And then this is the really fun part. You can decide what colors you want your new crayons to be. For my crayons, I decided to make some Earth Day themed crayons using blue, green, and white colors all mixed together. I'm also going to make some fun, somewhat tie-dye ones over here using my favorite colors, purple and yellow. Keep in mind the number of crayons you decide to put in each cup because it will determine how thick your new crayon will be. You don't want it to be too thin or it might break. Once you have your colors ready to go, it's time to put it in the oven. This is where you need a grown-up's help. Bake your crayons for 15 to 20 minutes until they are melted. When they're done, carefully remove the muffin tin without mixing the colors. Leave it out to cool until the pan is room temperature. Once it's cool enough to touch, put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. To remove your new crayons from the muffin tin, turn it upside down and gently tap it lightly until your crayons pop out. So I'm going to do this. As you can see, a couple of my crayons are broken. That's because I made them a little bit too thin. But that's okay. Even if they're broken, they are still very much adorable and usable crayons. And now you're ready to draw. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you will tune in again tomorrow for another exciting video to help us celebrate Party for the Planet.